Welcome. If you're tired of your phone buzzing every time you get an Instagram notification, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you step by step how to completely turn off vibration for Instagram alerts. It's simple, effective, and will help you regain some peace and quiet from your device. Let's get started. First, go to your phone's settings. This is where you can manage all your app preferences and notification options. Scroll through your list until you find a section labeled Apps. Sometimes it's called Applications, depending on your device. Tap on it to open your full list of installed apps. Next, find Instagram on the list. You might have to scroll a bit, but once you see it, tap to open its settings page. This is where you can control how the Instagram app behaves on your phone, everything from storage use to notification settings. Now, tap on Notifications. This is the menu that lets you choose what types of alerts Instagram can send you. Inside this menu, you'll see several categories: messages, likes, comments, and more. To take full control, tap on Notification categories. Then, choose Alerts. This section controls the general notifications you receive from Instagram. Once you're here, you'll see a switch or toggle for Vibrate. Simply turn off or toggle off Vibrate. That's it. You've successfully turned off vibration for Instagram notifications. From now on, your phone will still show alerts if you left them on, but it won't vibrate each time. This small change can make a big difference if you want fewer distractions during the day or just prefer a quieter phone experience. If you found this helpful, take a moment to adjust notifications for your other apps too. You'll be surprised how much calmer your phone can feel when you control what it alerts you about. And that's all for today's guide. Now you know exactly how to stop vibration for Instagram alerts and keep your phone peaceful once again.